Welcome to this guide, where I will show you how to change the display language in the Bing app on your mobile device. This video will help you understand every action clearly, so you can switch to the language you prefer with just a few taps. First, open the Bing app on your smartphone. Next, click on the profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. After that, find the section labeled Region and Language and tap on it. Then, choose the Display Language option to access all available languages supported by the app. Finally, select the language you want from the list, and the app will update your interface to match your chosen preference. Changing the display language can make your experience more comfortable and easier to navigate, especially if you prefer using apps in your native language. Feel free to subscribe, like the video, and share it to support the channel. And thank you for watching.